As someone who's spent countless hours in the wilderness, I can tell you that survival comes down to one thing: preparation. Today, we're diving into the top mistakes people make when venturing into the backcountry, and most importantly, how to avoid them. These survival strategies can mean the difference between a safe adventure and a dangerous emergency. So, whether you're a seasoned hiker or a first-timer, stick around because these tips could one day save your life. The biggest mistake is heading into the wild unprepared. Many people assume that things will go smoothly, but nature is unpredictable. Always pack the essentials: a first aid kit, plenty of food, extra water, and navigation tools like a map and compass. Checking the weather and sharing your plans with someone before you go can make all the difference. You wouldn't believe how many people get stranded simply because they didn't take a few minutes to prepare. Technology is great, but it's also a common trap. GPS devices are handy, but batteries die and signals get lost. That's why you must have traditional navigation skills. Learn to use a map and compass, and take time to practice. In a survival situation, knowing your direction could prevent you from wandering deeper into danger. And remember, a dead phone won't help you in the backcountry. Weather can change at the drop of a hat, especially in high altitudes or dense forests. Dressing in layers is key to adapting to fluctuating temperatures. It's not just about staying warm, it's about preventing heat stroke, hypothermia, or getting drenched by rain. Always have a waterproof layer with you, even if the forecast looks clear. When things go wrong, knowing how to call for help can save your life. Most people don't carry signaling tools, but you should always have a whistle, flashlight, or signal mirror. The universal distress signal is 3 short bursts from a whistle or 3 flashes of light. These simple tools can alert rescuers and are far more effective than just yelling or waving your arms. Dehydration can hit you faster than you think, and once it sets in, your ability to make sound decisions fades. Always carry more water than you believe you'll need, and know how to purify water if you run out. Bring a small portable filter or purification tablets, and know how to find natural water sources. Rivers, streams, and even rainwater can keep you alive if you know how to make it safe to drink. Exposure is one of the biggest threats in a survival scenario. Whether you're facing the cold, rain, or scorching sun, a good shelter is critical. Learn basic shelter building skills using available materials like branches, tarps, or even a natural cave. Your shelter should protect you from wind and rain and help you retain body heat at night. Having a simple tarp in your pack can turn a bad situation around fast. One of the biggest mistakes is underestimating the environment itself. The wilderness is full of hidden dangers: wild animals, rough terrain, and rapidly changing weather. Respecting the environment is crucial. Stay alert, avoid risky areas, and don't push yourself too hard. You're not competing with nature, you're working with it to survive. Let's quickly recap the key survival tips. Always prepare with the right gear. Don't rely solely on technology. Know how to navigate manually. Dress for any weather conditions and bring waterproof clothing. Carry tools to signal for help, like a whistle or flashlight. Stay hydrated and learn how to purify water. Build proper shelter to avoid exposure. Respect the wilderness and stay alert to potential dangers. If you found these tips useful, make sure to like and share this video so others can be prepared too. Remember, the wilderness is unpredictable, but by applying these survival strategies, you can drastically increase your chances of staying safe. Start preparing for your next adventure today by packing smart and practicing essential survival skills. In the wild, knowledge truly is your greatest tool.